Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to quickly redeem an iTunes or Apple gift card that you might have received and added to your account. Now, this is going to be really straightforward and will work on your iPhone, MacBook, your PC that you have iTunes installed, or even on your website. But for this video, we're going to show you how to do it with the iPhone. As you can see here, you might have received one of these cards either physically or through an email recently, and you want to get it added. So it's really simple and straightforward. First thing is, of course, you're going to go ahead and scratch it up if there's a, or peel it off on the back. And you notice here, this is a demo one that we have. Grab your iPhone that you have and simply open up your app store. So app store is going to be pretty much where you download apps, but it also has stuff to put in your iTunes account and balance. Now you click on that profile icon right up top here. And once you click on that, a couple things will happen. If you're already signed in, you'll have your name and stuff. If you didn't sign in yet, you're going to want to go ahead and sign in. And if you don't have an Apple account, you're going to go ahead and create one, which is free to do, which we showed you guys in other videos as well. Now, it's important to know that if you're going to be adding your gift card to the account here, it's going to be linked to it. So make sure that that's the account that you wanted to get it added, because it will only be redeemable on one account and you won't be able to kind of get it back or put it in another account. So make sure that's the account you want it on. So once you know that for sure, you notice here there's an option where it says redeem gift card or code. That's where you redeem any iTunes or any gift card, Apple gift card that you have. So simply just click on that. Once you click on that, now you're going to get to this menu here where it says redeem your gift card using your camera, and you can simply take a photo of the back of the card and you should be able to go ahead and redeem it. So if you just hold the card back here, it'll pick up the number, and then after that it's going to ask you to simply sign in here. So you're going to sign in with the password that you have, and you'll be pretty much good to go. Tap and sign in to redeem cash. So that's my Apple ID password that you have, and you'll be pretty much redeeming that card. Now, if you didn't have, let's say, the card physically there, you just had the actual code, you can also do the same thing. Instead of clicking the camera, of course, you have the option to enter the code manually right here. So you just enter that number, you're good to go. So that's how you add a physical card. Now, let's say you actually got an email. So if you got an email, that's really straightforward too. There's going to be a redeem button on the email. You click on that redeem button and it will be added to your account here, and then you'll have access to that funds to do whatever you want with it, purchasing apps or things like that for the App Store and Apple account. So hopefully this video is helpful, and if this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.